Hello, how to solve these systems of equation? We have m power 2 minus n power 2 equals 9. We have m times n equals 3. We are solving for the value of m plus n. Now, this is difference of two squares because this is power 2, this is power 2, and this is minus. If you consider this identity, you have a power 2 minus b power 2, this equals a minus b times a plus b. So applying the same identity here, we have m minus n times m plus n, and this equals 9. Now, what we are going to do again will be to simply divide each part of this equation by m minus n. I divide this by m minus n. I also come over here and divide this by m minus n. This cancels this. So what I'm going to be left with is just m plus n, and this equals 9 divided by m minus n. Now the next step will be for us to take the squares of both parts of this equation. So I take the squares of both parts of this equation. If you square this, what you are going to have will simply be m power 2 plus 2 times mn plus n power 2, and this equals, if you take the squares of this, you have 9 power 2, that is 81, divided by this. You also take the squares of this, that will give you m squared minus 2 times mn plus n power 2. Now what you are going to do will be to cross multiply this over 1. You cross multiply. 81 multiplies 1. We have 81. And this equals this, multiply this. You have m squared plus 2 times n plus n squared times m squared minus 2 times n plus n squared. Now remember this, our mn is 3. So we are going to consider mn. You can have mn is 3. So what you are going to have is to substitute it here and here. You have 81 equals, this is m squared plus 2 times 3 plus n squared times, this is n squared minus 2 times 3 plus n squared. So from here, what you are going to have is 81 equals, this is m squared plus 6 plus n squared times, this is m squared minus 6 plus n squared. So we can rearrange this, what we have inside the bracket. You have 81 equals, this is m squared plus n squared plus 6 times, you have m squared plus n squared minus 6. So what we can do at this particular point will be to expand this bracket. So we have 81 equals m squared times n squared, m power 4, m squared times n squared. This is m squared, n squared, m squared times negative 6 minus 6 m squared. N squared times m squared. This is plus n squared, m squared. N squared times n squared. This is plus m power 4. N squared times negative 6. This is minus 6n squared. 6 times m squared. This is 6m squared. 6 times n squared. This is 6n squared. 6 times negative 6. This is minus 36. So let's cancel out. Negative 6m squared cancel positive 6m squared. Negative 6n squared cancel positive 6n squared. So m squared plus n squared m squared will give you 2m squared m squared. We have 81 equals m power 4 plus 2m squared n squared. Then we have this n squared plus n power and this n power 4. Here is this, and we have minus 36. So at this particular point, we can have 81 equals, we can express this m power 4 as m power 2 raised to the power of 2 plus, this is 2m squared times n squared plus n power 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 36. Now, if you consider this identity, if you have a squared plus b squared, or if you have a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, this equals a plus b to the power of 2. Now, that means this is our a, this is our b. So if you apply the identity right here, that means you have 81 equals m squared, we are converting into this form, plus n squared raised to the power of 2 minus 36. So from here, I move this over here. I have 81 plus 36 equals m squared plus n squared raised to the power of 2. So from here, what I can simply do is just to rearrange this. I have m squared plus n squared raised to the power of 2 equals 81 plus 36 is 117. So from here, I can take the square root of both part of this equation. This cancels this. I have m squared plus n squared equals, this is plus or minus square root of 117. So from here, I can express this 117 as product of 9 and 13. I have m squared plus n squared equals plus or minus square root of 9 times 13. So from here, I have m squared plus n squared equals plus or minus square root of 9, 3 root 13. So this is our m squared plus n squared. Now, let's consider this other identity. If you have m plus n, you raise it to the power of 2. This equals m squared plus n squared plus 2mn. And remember, our mn equals 3. So we are simply going to have, and don't also forget that this is our m squared plus n squared. We have m plus n, which is what we are looking for, raised to the power of 2 equals, this is plus or minus 3 root 13 plus 2 times 3. That is mn, that is 3. From here we have m plus n raised to the power of 2 equals, we can rearrange this. We can have plus or minus 3 times root 13 plus 6. So we can simply rearrange it. We can simply have m plus n raised to the power of 2 equals 6 plus or minus 3 root 13. So what we are going to do is to take the squares of both, or the square root of both of this equation. But before that, let's do something first. If you have m plus n raised to the power of 2, this gives you two solution, which is 6 plus 3 root 13, or you have 6 minus 3 root 13. This is positive and this is positive. This is positive, while this will give you negative. We are not going to make use of this solution because this is negative. With 13 times 3 is greater than 6. So we only consider the positive one. So what we are going to have is m plus n raised to the power of 2 equals 6 plus 3 root 13. So from here, we take the square root of the part of this. So we have this, cancel this, and we have m plus n equals plus or minus square root of 6 plus 3 root 13. So this is our answer for m plus n. And this is how you can solve it step by step. And I believe you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you, and see you again. Thank you.